All right, everyone, let me start talking about the trade I just made on the crypto market, specifically the one on the southern soil. I want to make sure you understand exactly what happened here, so I'll walk you through it step by step, as you can easily follow. It's a very important lesson, and I'm going to break it down carefully to make sure no detail is missed. First of all, let me emphasize just how strategic this move was. When I looked at the market dynamics, I knew I had to pay very close attention to the patterns we were seeing. And let's be honest, this wasn't just any ordinary trading session. It was everything about the golden ratio at play, which is something we all recognize, but often overlook in our daily routines. The golden ratio is that magical number, isn't it? It's not just a math concept, it's a powerful force in financial markets. Now, imagine walking into a situation where you see an opportunity emerging, but it's not immediately obvious. That's exactly what I did here. I noticed the initial signals pointing towards a strong movement, and I decided to engage with the trade. What I mean by that is really looking beyond the surface, understanding the broader context, and making sure that every decision I was about to take was backed by solid reasoning. Let me explain further. When I entered the trade, I felt a strong...
It will take around 40 minutes, but trust me, once you complete it, you'll understand everything I'm saying about this trade and how it's contributing to my overall performance. Now, I've gathered all my results on my Telegram, and I'm still waiting for the responses from people who are following along. Their feedback is going to be really helpful. So, let's keep pushing forward, stay focused, and remember, every detail matters when you're trying to maximize your returns. In conclusion, this trade was a challenging but rewarding experience. It reinforced the importance of staying disciplined and keeping your focus on the patterns. I believe that with time and practice, you too can achieve similar results. Now, let's keep trading smart and profitable, and make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for your attention, and remember, success isn't just about the numbers, it's about the mindset you bring to the table.